The ProPresenter icon is on your dock of the desktop. Just click it to open the ProPresenter software. So this is the ProPresenter interface, and I'm just going to talk you through the different sections. This is the live screen. Whatever you can see on this screen is what's being projected. Below the live screen is the song library. Some of the songs have been listed as songs, but some of them have been listed as presentations, and this was an error when loading in the songs to the database, and it can cause a bit of confusion when you're looking for songs. To look for a song, you go into the search section and type in the title of the song. If you want to add it to your playlist, you just highlight it and drag it down to the box below. Because some of them are songs and some of them are presentations, like I said, it can sometimes cause problems when looking for a song. So the alternative thing to do is just to scroll through the library. They're in alphabetical order until you find the song that you're looking for. Below the song library is the playlist, and this most times will be set up in advance as it was with Easy Worship. As you click on each element in the playlist, it will appear on the preview screen on the right hand side. And this is the preview screen. This shows you what's going to happen next. As you click on a tile, it automatically comes up in the live screen. So this is what's now being projected. Each time you click on a tile, the same as Easy Worship, it's projected in the live screen. To show you the layout of the song, ProPresenter has this colour coordinated tile system. So as you'll see, the chorus shows as red, verse 1 shows as blue, the pre-chorus is green, and the bridge is yellow. This just helps you to differentiate between the tiles when you're projecting the songs. You can adjust the size of the tiles in your preview screen by coming down to this section over here. If you toggle this button to the right, it will make the tiles larger. If you toggle it to the left, it will make the tiles smaller. And you can set them however you want to have them to help you project the songs. You also have the option of having the song shown in a list. The other buttons you need to be aware of when you're projecting the songs are these buttons up here. The first button is our logo button. In Easy Worship, if you'd click the logo, you had to then click it again to go back to the song. But in ProPresenter, if you have the logo selected, you just click on the relevant tile and they switch places. If you're projecting a song and you want to hide the background for any reason, perhaps it's not a very good background or people are struggling to see the words, you press this button up here which has like a video strip in the background, and it removes the background. If you want to go back to the background, just click on the tile again. If there's a pause in the song and you want to hide the lyrics, you go to this button. You've still got the background but the lyrics are hidden. When you want to go back to the lyrics, click on the relevant tile. And this last black cross hides everything. When you want to go back to the song, click on the relevant tile. For videos, it won't start until you press play. Church News is already compatible with this because we make the Church News on a Mac program.
I want to welcome you right now.
At the bottom of the screen here is the video and image bin. And it's broken down into two sections. The first section is backgrounds, and these are slides that you would place behind the lyrics. Choose the one that you want and drag it and drop it behind the song. If you've got one there that you don't like, you can right click on the screen and remove it. This is the foregrounds bin, which is where you find things like the welcome screen, 5-minute countdowns and church news. It might be that when you come to ProPresenter you can't see the video image bin because it's been closed. If you need to reopen it, you go up to the taskbar here at the top, choose View, go down to Video and Image Bin, and it will reopen it for you. If there's a mistake on one of the tiles and you want to edit them, you right click on the tile and choose Quick Edit. You can then change a spelling mistake or change the layout of the tile. When you've finished, press close. Another feature that you'll want to use quite a lot in ProPresenter is Bibles. And the Bible icon is up here if you click on that. And this is how the Bible preview screen looks. We have 3 Bible versions on ProPresenter at the moment. It's New International Version, the King James Version and the Message. There are 2 ways to look for Bible verses on here. The first way is to go to this section here, choose the book that you want, choose the chapter that you want, and then ProPresenter will display the whole chapter. If you click on a screen, it will show in the live screen. Sometimes if the preacher is going through Bible verses very quickly, it can actually take quite a long while to look for scriptures that way. And it's quicker just to type them in this box here, the book, the chapter and the verse. And it brings it up in the live screen. When you're finished with the Bible screen and you want to go back to your song screen, you need to close this section of the page by clicking the X here. So this is the basic interface for ProPresenter.